Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to do, what are you going to do, Chia?
To be my best friend at the Shenzhen. And you. Anak ka. Here you go.
Actually guys, we are going to do an unboxing video. We are going to open some slime supplies that Mama and Papa bought. Di kasi kami nakasama dahil may pasok. And now we are going to open some slime groceries.
Open naman din yun.
Yes. Look, say yes. No. We have this. This. Elmer's glue. Yes. The big glue.
Ouch! The big glue.
So this Elmer's glue is 1,010 grams, safe, non-toxic for all of your needs. It's multi-purpose glue. Bonds strong. So this is the small gel glue. It's Elmer's glue. Easy squeeze formula. Washable school glue. No run gel. Safe, non-toxic. So ang price ng white glue ay 279.75 peso. Ang small glue na ito ay 19.75 pesos. Ilalagay muna natin dito. Please. And we'll open this. Wait. That one. Look. This one. So, this glitter, my clear glue, like some white glue,
Like glue?
at my liquid glue gel. So, ilalagay ko dito.
Is this? I like pink.
So, let's see this one. Ito ay 6 glitter tempera paints with brush. Here's the brush. We have 6 colors. It's
1, 2,
Pink.
3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
it's pink,
1, 2,
yellow,
3.
red,
4.
blue, violet, and green.
6, 7, 8, 9.
How much is that?
It's 134 and 75 centavos. So next is this one. It's special high class COX watercolor and paint lead free non-poisonous 12 colors.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
I want this pink
colors.
The colors are white, lemon yellow,
Mine is
vermilion,
pink.
chrome yellow,
See, it's pink.
yellow,
Pink, Nimpang.
burnt sienna,
And pink. And strawberry.
carmine, green, viridian, cobalt blue, Russian blue, and last is ivory black. So Cox watercolor in tube, it's 69 pesos and 75 centavos. So next is this small glue. This is Dom A Office Liquid Glue Gel Easy Squeeze Washable Homeschool Office, and it's 40 ml. The price is 19 pesos and 75 centavos. Next is this glue. It's white and it's gold medal by Amspec all-purpose white glue, and it's 130 grams. Here at the back, the price is 44 pesos. Next is this liquid glue. It's Dom A liquid glue. It's homeschool office,
Pang, I want
125
this.
grams, and the price is 37 pesos and 75 centavos. Kaya meron kaming iba't ibang glue para maka-try din kami kung kaano kaganda ang aming mga glue. So, kukunin na namin
Make
yung
the
mga
slime.
dalawang glue.
Uy, ang small glue din eh.
So, ang total ng mga slime supplies na binili ni Papa at Mama ay 299, tapos itong dalawa 299, tapos itong lima ay 301 pesos. So ito lahat, yung total nila lahat ay almost 600 lahat. So guys, this will be the slime supplies that we will be using in our videos. I'm so excited. Kaya please do watch out for that. At gagawa kami ng marami pang slimes. Guys, it's time na naman some shoutouts. It's time to say hi to our friends. Hi to Max Chiah. Hi to Aika May Balenas. Hello to Chloe Malari. Hi to Kalanda Zaida. Shout out to Vincent Zyril Cabal. Shout out to Shane Valentin. Hello to I Hate Names Really. Hi to Chandra Pailaga. Hi to Kashika Villarba Vlogs. Hi to Mark Lawrence Vlogs. Hi to Ate Francesca Vlogs. Hi to Angela Jimenez Vlogs. Hi to Jumaila and team. Vlogs. Hi to Nina Slime Die. Hello to Jonaline and Kathleen. Hi to Kuya Marchuk Gaming. Hello to Jenny Rose Jose. Hi to It's Althea. Hello to Princess Tiara TV Vlogs. Hello to ang aming munting Amerikana. Hi to Fritz Patalinghog. Hello to Jolly. Hi to Precious Lara Amorganda. Hi to Petolo Family. Hi to Rarely Aki's Vlogs. Hi to It's Me, Abby. Hi to Matthew Tamaradas Vlogs. Hi to Helen Grace Maraviles Vlogs. Hi to Hazel Gili TV Vlogs. Hi to Kristen's Vlogs. Hi to Shem V. Hi to Jana Marie Camoral Quiros. Hi to Chloe's Vlogs. Hi to Kuya Matthew Tamaradas Vlogs. Hi to Alexa Managas. Hi to Jenny Rose Jose. Hi to Lizzie Joy Atacador. Hi to Jasmine Amador. Hi to Francesca Vlog. Hi to Jacqueline Soriano TV. Hello to Mabeth Liagas. Hi to Pinay Life in Auce. Hi to Mary Grace Mendoza. Hi to Dante Ferrell's Vlogs. Hi to Codfishing 108.
Give us a like, subscribe.